My name is Cheryl and I own this house which we purchased probably 25 years ago. The reason that I decided that I wanted the extension doing was so that I could incorporate a downstairs bathroom, shower room. Reason being, if I'm honest, is for future. Right, for my benefit for future, in case as I get older, it'll be of benefit to me. Unfortunately, I lost my husband, and he ended up having to go in a nursing home, which is why the downstairs shower room is so important to me now, which is how come I've progressed to having the shower room, which then meant I had to, having never done this before, I had no idea of where to start with this extension. I did post online to get quotes, which I had numerous quotes. Some, I must say, told me I didn't need planning permission. I had Andy Walker come. They, obviously, by now I had got the plot, so I posted and had numerous quotes. The reason that I actually went with Andy Walker Building Company was because the pricing included the labour for the fitting of the kitchen and the bathroom, which I thought was good because I knew then the costing would only be what I chose to spend on buying the extra, was the quality of the kitchen and bathroom accessories that I chose to have. So that was my decision whether I could do it cheaper or more expensive. Andy Walker's price was really quite fair. In fact, he came out to be the best price. The communication with the team I actually found was good when I asked the questions. However, sometimes I was left a little bit unsure of what was going on because I didn't understand what was going on and the reasons for some of the delays. Once I asked the question and it was explained to me, the overall quality I am happy with. I'm happy with the finish, and everybody who has seen it has said what a nice job and how tidy and clean everything looks. However, that isn't to say that I did have some issues which I did have put back right. I would recommend Andy Walker to other people. I think the pricing and the speed of the work when they're on site is unbelievable. However, I did have holidays out as well, so it to be fair, that did cause delays, but equally, I didn't understand some of the other delays. But I'm more than happy with the finished result, and as I said, everybody who's seen it, and in fact I'm not sure whether my sister might contact you. I would give you, if I was scoring you out of 10, I would give you a 9, purely because of the little issues, but really I'm happy and it's a fair, and I think the price, to be fair, was exceptional.